Hi guys, so we are using sego material to do today's tutorial, and we are starting by dividing the material into 50-50, which is equal part. After the division, we are going to make some pleats on our head. So we make some pleats now. So your thumb is bringing out the pleats and you adjust it on it. So you're just going to make like foundational pleats. 3-4 is okay. Once you are done with the pleat, then you cross the hand at the back. And after making the pleat, make sure you align it well. So I go cross it at the back, grab all excess forward like this. So after directing all excess towards the front, we're going to twist it. Pick the first one and twist it down. Then place on your head. Place on your head, take the excess to the back and get it secured with an office pin. Then you go for the other part. Repeat the same process, twist it down, but watch the way I will place this one now. I'll take it to the front, then dip the excess inside the previous pleated part of my head. Dip it in and pull out the excess. Now, the excess I have, I'll come up and stretch it out. Then place it at the take it to sideways, both angles, and secure down with another set of office pin. So this is so simple to do, very simple to do. Just get your material available, your office pin available, and you are ready to go with this simple edge wrap. Okay, so after this one, I'll show you another way you can design the upper part in case you don't like this one. So wait and let me show you that. I'm trying to adjust it so it will give me the desired shape. So this is the final look here. Let's check the second one out now. So I'll just take one angle off here. I'll remove it. Then I'll just take the angle to the front like this, put it at the center and secure it right there. Once I secure it, I'll adjust all the adjustables. Make sure it is well secured so that it doesn't fall off at any time. So it is secured now and we have this. So these are the styles I have. So for today, do like and share. Follow for more. Bye.